Healthy, radiant skin starts with the right ingredients, and vitamin C is one of the most powerful skincare essentials. Cerozone's Vitamin C Pure Bright Face Serum is designed to brighten, hydrate, and rejuvenate your skin, making it a must-have in your daily routine. We'll explore the benefits, key ingredients, and how to use this serum for maximum results. Cerozone's Vitamin C Serum is formulated with high-quality ingredients that work together to improve skin texture, reduce dark spots, and enhance overall brightness. Whether you struggle with dullness, acne scars, or enlarged pores, this serum provides a comprehensive solution.
Cerozone's Vitamin C Serum consists of 1. Vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals, reduces pigmentation, and boosts collagen production for firmer, brighter skin. 2. Hyaluronic acid, deeply hydrates and plumps the skin, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. 3. Reduced glutathione, detoxifies the skin, improves elasticity, and enhances overall radiance. 4. Bakuchiol, a natural alternative to retinol that smooths skin texture and reduces signs of aging without irritation.
To use Cerozone Vitamin C Serum first, wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities. Then apply a few drops of serum to your face and neck. Massage and gently pat and massage the serum into your skin. Lastly, apply a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Protect your skin. Using sunscreen during the day to prevent UV damage.
Cerozone Vitamin C Serum is a game-changer for anyone looking to achieve a brighter, healthier complexion. With its powerful ingredients and proven benefits, this serum is a must-have in your skincare routine.